Silver against US dollar has risen in value. We can see the week started with small indecision candle, and after that a strong bullish candle that has formed two bullish breakouts. First one about 32.47, second one about 33.02. After that the price continued to rise in value, and we can see how the price has stopped. It has come very close to this area of resistance, but it has reached this area of resistance visible here at 33.68. Weekly time frame shows us we have a bullish candle, bullish week, which means also a bullish breakout above this area of resistance that has prevented the price from reaching higher price levels. We can see that, which means a bullish oriented. Now we have also a monthly time frame that is very close to close the month. One more week has been left, and we can see the price is targeting 33.85, a resistance level, which is also a strong monthly resistance level. What we can conclude from this analysis, I am concluding that the price will try to reach again 33.85, a resistance level, trying to make a bullish breakout for the next week. Weekly time frame shows me also a bullish oriented, that the price will try to reach higher price levels. The daily time frame shows me it is a bullish breakout that has been confirmed the previous resistance, now acting as a support, and it is targeting again the next level, which means 33.85 is the target for the next week. On the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, I'll share the details with the traders, which are inside the premium analysis, how the price is behaving, and also what are the targets. So feel free to check the link below in the description, and you can also join to receive these bullish breakout updates. Like in this example, we had here a bullish breakout targeting the next resistance level, and the price has reached that target per level. Also, there is a 1-hour time frame, also sharing the details when there is a bullish or bearish breakout, so feel free to check the premium analysis to receive these updates, so the traders also get informed when there is a breakout and also what is the target. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.